Another return to my high school days. Today we are looking at the Air Jordan 5 Retro Burgundy. Welcome back to Kicks on Kicks, my channel where I review sneakers. This time around, we are taking a look at the Air Jordan 5 Burgundy. And boy, these are pretty dope. Can't even lie. Now I remember these coming out. I want to say these came out in 2005 originally. I was in high school. These came out as part of the whole Jordan LE project, where we had these. We had the Jordan 5 UNCs with that contrast stitching, which actually makes its return here. We got contrast stitching on this as well. And I thought those were both super dope pairs. I had a pair of the UNC Jordan 5s, if that's what we're calling them. But I did not have a pair of these back in the day. And now I'm super glad that we're getting this upcoming retro sneaker. So let's take a look at the shoe, the packaging. I'll give you some legit checking indicators that you can look out for, and then we'll get up out of here. Huge shout out to the homies that sent this over. Posh Kicks is always amazing to work with, and I'm glad they're working with me this time. So let's look at these from the bottom up. Now, this is your standard Air Jordan 5 outsole. You got your icy hits there. Translucent icy bottom with the black Jumpman poking through. Is that black? Is that burgundy? We'll call it black because it looks black, but I don't know. If it's burgundy, it might be burgundy. That would make sense, right? But anyway, icy blue hit on the forefoot as well as on the heel. I guess, this will give you better traction if you're playing these shoes for whatever reason. You play in this and not something with some more modern technology. Hey, more power to you, big man. Now, let's look at the midsole. Midsole is like this all over burgundy with a little slight interruption. You got a gray shark tooth pattern with purple or violet or burgundy spackling there, if that's what we're calling this color. Quick look at the air unit. The air unit in the back of your heel is white on this. And all in all, man, it's a dope shoe. Let's look at the upper, because the upper, in my opinion, is the reason to grab this. Super, super buttery suede. Like, I love it when you can kind of blotch a sneaker up and just really tell like the quality on it. That's just really cool to me. But anyway, so you got the super buttery suede all over in that burgundy color. This, of course, brings back the pods. I was just looking at a pair of off-whites, and they don't have the pods. The DJ Khaled's don't have the little pods, but these get the OG treatment, and you get back the big little bubbles to help you, I guess, get the shoe on. I don't know why you need these big protrusions from your ankle, but hey, here's what it is. Looking at your cage, you got this clear caging, and I just realized this is such a dope shoe if you are in North Carolina and you perhaps went to North Carolina Central University, NCCU, E-Funk, as they like to say. My family is Aggies, so I can't even really. Anyway, this is a dope shoe for that. It's got the same colors. But anyway, looking at the laces, these are gray laces on top of more of that clear caging. Really dope. Now let's look at the tongue. You got your 3M tongue with a burgundy Jumpman embroidered. Embroidery looks good. Just a little bit of fraying here on my man's leg, but looks really good. Sock liner on this shoe is also gray, and that's pretty much the shoe. Oh, you got your lace lock. I do not like the Jordan 5 lace lock. It looks great when it's not on your foot, but like navigating this stupid lace lock is always weird. But anyway, I prefer the lace lock for the Jordan 6. So that's that. Let's take a look at the insole on this shoe. And it is gray with a little maroon Jumpman on the inside. You'll have to trust me. Can't get all the angles with these shadows. Let's take a quick look at the packaging though, shall we? So this is not your standard Jordan 5 box. This actually has that Air Jordan Flight Club branding that we've been seeing on several other Jordan retros. I like it. The Air Jordan Flight Club was actually like a mail order subscription fan club for Jordans back in the day. I never was a member, but apparently you got like a cool t-shirt and some other little perks for joining. So anyway, Air Jordan Flight Club on the box. These are the Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. Colorway is deep burgundy and light graphite. Got mine in size 9 because I wear a size 9. And Jordan 5s typically fit me true to size. Let's take a look at the other shoe. All looks good. I, again, really love how buttery and like how much movement you get out of the suede on these uppers. Honestly, man, I don't know what you even wear the color burgundy with besides a bunch of gray. So shout out to them having the gray with it. These look nice, man. These look really nice. Now, as far as legit checking indicators, not even gonna lie, what I typically look for on a Jordan 5 is the quality of the Jumpman. The Jumpman embroidery on this honestly looks pretty good, but I'd be a tad bit concerned about that hand, that right hand that's moving back right there. That just, I don't know, looks a little off to me. Although it's pretty much spot on the Jumpman on the tongue. So there's that. Other than that, though, not a lot I can look at. I'm gonna grab a black light, see if we can find anything under the black light. So got a black light here, and what I'm looking for are like any just crazy glue spots or pen marks. Pen marks meaning the factory was, marking things with a pen to see where to place things, where to glue things, where to sew things. And honestly, man, nothing's jumping out as far as glue stains and pen marks. So to try to legit check these without having the retail pair in hand, I don't know. The one thing that I am seeing, drop the other shoe. But one thing I'm seeing is just kind of the, well, maybe not even that, but the way this tongue was kind of folded in on itself means it might not have been sewn correctly. But even that, like, that's just kind of an issue with this whole 3M pattern and this hard material anyway. So yeah, man, I don't know. For the naked eye, I don't know what you're going to look at to legit check this shoe versus the retail pair. And chances are these sit and don't resell for very high anyway. So use your own discretion as to whether or not you're going to grab these. But as far as I'm concerned, these are pretty dope. These are pretty dope. Let me know if you're grabbing them in the description or in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Peace.